वेलकम टू आवर चैनल KT इंस्टीट्यूट डल्ले वाला। सत श्री अकाल सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ। आज today our topic is today we will start with modern English UKG page number 10 and let's have practice with it is or it is an. So first is it is equaled. It is a rope. It is a snail. It is a tap. It is an umbrella. It is a violin. It is violin. It is a wall. It is a X-ray. It is a yak. It is a zebra. Read more words. It is a yak, X-ray, TAP tap, WALL wall, snail, rope, violin, quilt, umbrella, zebra. So let's have a revision of A and N. A box, a mango, a window, a cat, a man, a desk, a jug, a woman, a fish, a book, a boy, a wall, a tree, a girl, a you. So next is an apple, an orange, an elephant. So next is an apple, an orange, an elephant. Next read out the words an axe, an arm, an arrow, an ear, an ant, an elbow, an egg, an insect, an eagle, an eagle, an igloo, an owl, an umbrella. Thank you so much for watching this video.